Hey guys, and in today's video we're going to be going over an introduction to Python, so how to install it, what is Python, and examples of Python. And so what is Python first? Python is a general purpose programming language that can be used for all sorts of tasks. And Python was designed to be easy, readable, and fun. So this means that whether you're 5 or if you're 30, you would be able to learn and understand Python. What is Python used for? Well, Python is used for a vast variety of tasks, as stated in the previous slide, such as data analytics, AI, backend of websites. It can also be used with Raspberry Pi and Microbit, both of which I covered in a previous video. I'll link it in the description. And it can be used for automation. So, what you can do with this, for data analytics, you can analyze data, of course. AI, you can make a face tracking application. You can that's how self-driving cars are made with machine learning. And Raspberry Pi and Microbit, you can create cool stuff, like cool pieces of hardware. How to install Python? So to install Python, we go to python.org, and then we click downloads, and then we download the latest one. For me, it's Python 3.1. For you, it might be different. Okay, so now, and then what is an IDE? An IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is used for program development. And program development, what we could do is, like with this is how we use our Python code. The Python code installs Python onto installs Python onto our library, but an IDE is what lets us code and run Python. There are also text scripting. You can code from terminal, but IDEs are usually more user-friendly. And in this tutorial, we will use VsCode. To install VsCode, we just need to go to visualstudiocode.com. And then for me, it will be Mac Universal. For you, it could also be different. And we install it, and then we open it like any other exe or DMG if you're on Mac. And then once you have installed that, we're done. And now you have Python installed, and you're ready to start developing on your computer. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you